Look how beautiful it is here. Black. And there are lightning strikes there periodically. Oh my god, damn it. Well, not far. Can you hear? Very. And the sun is setting right on this side. It's so beautiful. Done. Red. And then all. This. Rumbled in. Big drops started to fall. It started to rain. I really don't like all this. Well, that's great. Look, it's raining really hard behind us. It turns out that we have something like this on the outskirts, and the main thing is over there. I thought it wasn't. Well, most likely, yes, but I mean, it's there. The epicenter isn't there on the left. There's such a shroud in front. We're entering it now. The same behind, but here, where we are, there's no sign. Oh, damn, that was close. Now we're entering there. It's pouring down. In general, it's really scary because there's no protection from lightning at all. Rain is just disgusting, but lightning is really dangerous. The worst thing about this situation is that there's no protection from lightning, and it's random. But, a boat doesn't actually attract lightning. Many will say that the mast is tall and all that. But for it to attract lightning, there needs to be a ground connection. And water isn't a conductor for lightning to pass through. When lightning strikes, it spreads across the surface of the water, meaning it doesn't go down. So, it's not like we're grounded and, well, it's not like we're attracted to lightning, but it's random. It's like it hits wherever it hits, and it could hit a boat, and there won't be anything useful nearby, either for electronics or anything else. So, there's a ship. Yes, there's a fishing boat. And we're sitting there, while the lightning strikes, counting the seconds. Each second is 300 meters. So, we're counting how far away that epicenter is. And just like what happened just now, the lightning and thunderstorm started along the starboard and gradually slid to the port side and kept getting further and further. So, we're counting how far the thunderstorm is approaching and then how far it's moving away. So we can understand how close we are, how close all this is, but we never like it. Dina is probably completely horrified by what's happening. Very unhappy. I don't like things like this. But your lighting is beautiful when the lightning strikes.
And this.
Wow. is our second one like this. I don't know what it is. The squall passed and now it's flooding. And these lightning strikes constantly. It's really bright here. You can see where you're going. We have about 10 miles left here. These last few miles are somehow very difficult with all this weather, which is lashing here from all sides. Listen, will it be dangerous to stay at anchor? Yes, it will be exactly the same. Both at anchor and here, and it's blowing here at around 30. That is, the wind will be from one side, from the other. No, that's not true. It's no longer thundering next to us. Well, yes, the thunder is already moving away, and you can even see those clouds over there. There's a line there. I think it'll pass now, this black thing hanging above us, and it'll go away, and everything will be fine. The most terrible thing in yachting is what's happening now. There's the wind, the waves, it's all nonsense. But the lightning, it all goes in a circle. That's a nightmare, of course. It
could be worse.
Yes, it could be worse, of course, but it's still so invigorating. You can see the island in front. Well, on the GoProshka, you probably can't see anything, because there's a night camera. Not much. Well, now there will be lightning. It will illuminate. Maybe the island will be visible. This shitty cloud hangs above us. It's, well, I don't know, about 1.5 miles away, probably, to the edge. And there it hangs, blowing from under it, flickering on the left. And where the island is, you can see, well, there's light, there's beautiful, good weather. I'll go change my shoes. Come on, you're all wet. There it is, standing there. Come on. We have a terrible light show here, of course, but it's good that it's already moved away. It's a little calming, because when we were passing through the epicenter itself, when it was pounding, and the other terrible thing here is that when lightning strikes nearby, it's not white, everything around is red. And when you see this redness all around, you understand that it's somewhere right here and then thunder. And when you're at the epicenter, this happens often, like one, then another. Well, you sit and think, just don't hit the boat, because that would be just hell right away. I'm now filming from the side where this terrible thunderstorm has moved away. We're already approaching the island. We're 4 miles from the anchorage. The anchorages of large ships are here, blowing. But it's too rough for us here. That is, a wave is coming here, it's not large. Well, for such big ones it's not noticeable at all, but we'll be rocked. But if we go here behind the island, we'll be able to hide just fine there. Everything will be okay. So SS, phew. That's enough for today. We set the depth to, 7.5 meters. Tomorrow we're going 16 miles to the very north of Penang. In the meantime, we'll spend the night here, right in front of the bridge. I don't know if the camera will show anything or not. Well, there you can see the city lights up and the bridge to the side. And where the red lights are flashing, that's where we'll have an opening tomorrow. There are 2 bridges here. I'll tell you all about the bridges. Good morning, everyone. Island coastline. The mountain seems like it should clear the water well, but this side swell comes in. It rocked all night, I didn't sleep all night. Overall, disgusting. It's time to get out of here faster. There are 2 bridges here. The first bridge is 24 kilometers long, the second 12. And we're going under the wallpaper because we need to cross from the very south of Penang to the very north.